Good morning. I was actually in Phuket, which I landed in yesterday, and I'm kind of shocked by the prices. Like, prices have nearly doubled. That's just too much. So I might as well go to PhiPhi instead if things are going to be expensive. So off to PhiPhi I go. Okay, I made it. I made it to PhiPhi from the hostel. Went for dinner, and I took my ass to the beach. Well, the beach is here. The water is not. Good morning. Again, it's not morning anymore, but I am tired. I just made my way up to viewpoint 1, right here. This is gonna be my last day on PhiPhi. Tomorrow I'm leaving, probably to Krabi, so I can get a plane back to Bangkok and then back to my own place. PhiPhi has been kind of a breaking point for me. It's been enough fun. I should be heading back home. Okay, we made it up to the top, up to the viewing point, viewpoint 2 actually. I've been here for a while, I had to take a rest, but anyway, this is a nice view, like right behind me, like making my way back down. At viewpoint 1, they had a sign that said 100 meters to viewpoint 2. It was way more than 100. They must have missed out on a 0. Someone must have peeled off 1 0. Anyway, I've had my fun in the past month, and I think it's time to end it. Time to end the fun and go back to a normal life again.